This is a tutorial on how to order ink or toner for your printer. This is your employee dashboard after you log into My ACISD. To order printer supplies, go to your full drop-down menu on the left side and select Request and select Printer Supplies. Each employee is allowed 4 ink cartridges for their printer per school year. Here is where it will tell you how many you have ordered of your 4 allotted. Once you reach your 4 limit max, all additional orders must be approved by your campus administrator and will come out of the campus budget. You can see your order history by clicking this link here. To order, you can search your supplies here. You can either enter this cartridge number if you have it. You can also search by the printer brand or model number. For example, most teachers have a small white DeskJet in their classroom. The majority of those model numbers are HP 1112. So we will enter 1112 here, and it will populate the ink that is compatible with that printer. From here you can select whether you want black or color and enter the quantity you'd like and click Add to Cart. From here you can search again to add more ink or toner to your order, or you can check out. When you select Checkout, it will bring you here to select your campus and room number you'd like your order delivered to. Then select Complete My Order. You will receive an email confirmation. Once technology receives your order, we will gather your supplies and deliver it as soon as possible. Some orders will take longer than others depending on whether the supplies are in stock. Please be patient, but if it has been several days and you haven't received your order, please feel free to contact the technology department.